Hey guys, welcome back to Mama Cutie Finance. If you are new here and you like news you can use, go ahead and hit that like button for your girl. Today, guys, I have some new Section 8 information for y'all. Yes, I told y'all I was going to come back with the Section 8 waiting list for October, and I am back with the Section 8 waiting list for October. But before I get started, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed and turn your notifications on. Always like my videos and always leave me some type of comment in the bottom. That way I'll know that you're interested in this video. So before I get into the Section 8 waiting list, guys, let me tell you what Section 8 is for the people who don't know. So Section 8, guys, it is a subsidized housing program that the government comes in and they help you pay your rent. That's exactly what it is. Sometimes they pay all of your rent, sometimes they pay some of your rent. It is a temporary assistance program. Like for people, sometimes life is not perfect and you fall on hard times. So that's what Section 8 is for. So some of the ways that you can get on Section 8 fast, you can be displaced from natural disasters. Like if something happened with the government and the government calls you to lose your house, yes, you can get on Section 8 real quick that way. So if you're homeless, guys, you can get on Section 8 quick. You have to be a veteran, victims of domestic violence, and also if you're 62 and older. Those are just some of the ways that you can get on Section 8 fast. Okay, guys, the rest of the Section 8 waiting list for October, this particular city, guys, so they're going to be taking a total of 7,500 applications. So they opened up October the 15th, but they don't close until October the 25th at 11:59 p.m. So if you guys want to live in Florida and if you want to live in Miami-Dade County, I suggest that you hop on this right now. Go and fill out your application. They are only accepting online applications, but if you have problems with trying to access Miami-Dade County Housing Authority website, they said that you guys can come in person and fill out your applications, but you can only do it from 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. You can go to the library on 101 West Flagler Street in Miami. You can go to the Model Branch City. That's also in Miami. The address is 2211 554th Street in Miami. So those are the places that you can go in and apply for Section 8. Okay, guys? And if you have any questions and you just need to talk to them, they said that you can call them at 786-469-4300 before 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Okay? Okay, guys, if you live in the Lake Charles area, I got some good news for you today because Calcasieu Parish is accepting Section 8 applications again, guys. They reopened the Section 8 application waiting list because of disaster, and they want to make sure that so many people have a place to stay, and they're going to be accepting 500 applications. It's going to open on October 30th. Okay, so it's going to be open only for one day. Okay, so y'all jump on this. Y'all, it's going to be open from 8 a.m. to noon. Make sure you have your photo ID, your driver's license, and your social security card for everybody in the family. So that's what they're requesting. So if you got any questions, go ahead and give them a call at 337-721-4030, and it is extension 5119. Okay, guys, if you live in Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania is accepting Section 8 vouchers, guys, for the waiting list. It's a lot of counties in Pennsylvania. So I just recommend if you live in that area, go ahead and check your county to see if they're accepting Section 8 vouchers. Now, I have a Carbondale, Pennsylvania. They're going to be accepting Section 8 vouchers. The waiting list has already opened up. You guys can go and apply in person, or you can go online at the CHA office and fill out an application. Okay. Now, if you're going to go in person, you want to go to 2 John Street, Carbondale, Pennsylvania, and the hours to apply are from 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. Okay. Now it says if you get there after 3 o'clock, guys, Eastern time, you can't get an application. So although they open till 4, if you don't get there before 3, they're not going to give you an application. That's just a heads up so you guys can plan ahead of time. And there are preferences and they are listed on the application. So they got different preferences that they are looking for. And of course, I don't have the application to tell you guys the preferences, and they're not telling me their preferences on their website. So go ahead, guys, if you live in Carbondale, Pennsylvania, check those areas out if you would like to get on Section 8. Now, area in the next area in Pennsylvania, guys, I have is Erie County. So if you live in Erie County, guys, they are accepting Section 8 applications in Erie County. Now, their phone number is 814-665-5161. And you can pick up your Section 8 application at 120 South Center Street, Corey. Okay. And you can also apply online. They're not giving me a time of when you can pick up that application, but you might want to just call them ahead of time. And they also have certain stipulations for their Section 8 vouchers. They're only going to pay about 40% of your rent and your utilities. So that's like combined. And it's saying after you submit your application, you will be placed on a waiting list. Okay. So you just have to be patient. Once they cycle through the waiting list, hopefully they'll give you a call, but just make sure you have all your documents together. And as further as another waiting list that's going on in Erie County, I don't know if these are apartments, but South Hill is open. Salisbury is open. Corey family is open. College View Manor is open. So that's all it's telling me. It's not telling me what it is, but it is in Erie County. Okay, guys, if you live in Gary, Indiana, they are accepting Section 8 vouchers right now. The waiting list opened up. It opened up October 21st and it is going to close October 23rd. So you all still have time to get your application in before 11:59 if you are in Gary, Indiana. Okay, there's a preliminary list of applications that's available at www.garyhousing.org. So there's going to be no paper applications that will be accepted. Okay, guys. Now, this is required. So you're going to have a valid mailing address, name, birthday, social security numbers of everybody in the household. And also you have to know your household gross income. All right. And they're going to select certain applicants. And if you have any questions, you can give them a call at 219-881-6416. Okay, guys, if you live in New York, New York, they are accepting referral only Section 8 applications. Okay, guys. So there are stipulations on this application process. It's not open to the general public, but if your family is associated with the FUP, the Family Unification Program, you are allowed to apply for Section 8. Okay. So your assistance cannot be expiring within the first 36 months. So, once you apply for the program, your assistance have to keep rolling. It's like your assistant can't expire next month because you're not going to be able to apply. So it has to be instated. It has to be an ongoing thing for at least the next 36 months. That's what they said. Also, if you are at risk and homeless, you qualify to apply for New York Section 8. All right. So it says also if you are within a domestic violent situation, you can also qualify for New York Section 8. All right. So go ahead and visit New York website, guys, and check that out for Section 8. There is a public notice that's up there. It's NYCHA website. And that way you can read and see if you would meet these qualifications for the referral that they are requiring for you all to have. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Until then, I want you guys to stay prayed up and bossed up, baby.